Welcome to Sudoku SKVM. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalan, March 12, 2024. 5-star Sudoku. Column D. We have 2, 4, 5. The three numbers can't come the two cells. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade. Two numbers are remaining 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Second row we have 8. So it can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. Column E, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here, then only 2 numbers are remaining, second grade, 4 and 5, first row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 5 is here, then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, fourth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here, column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 8, sixth row we have 4 and 7, so 4 and 7 can't come these cell. It will come any one of these cells. Ninth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column F, only one numbers remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 8th grade. Two numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 7, 9. Sixth row, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then fifth grade. Column E, only one numbers remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Third row and first row, we have 9. Column H also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th grade. Column G, column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 6, 8. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column E and 8th grade, only one numbers remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 3rd row and 8th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade and 5th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 3rd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row and 3rd row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then second row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 4, 7. Column A, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then second row, only one numbers remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Third grade, first row we have 8, so it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then third row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 3, 6. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, only one numbers remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then first row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. Column C, we have 1. So it can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column A, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. Seventh row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then fourth grade, only one numbers remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third grade, third row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 3, 6. Column G, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then third row and third grade, only one numbers remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column G, only one numbers remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Sixth grade and sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. Seventh row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H and ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Seventh row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th row, only one numbers remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Seventh grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.